Hello everyone, I am Dr. Satish Pangal. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn the graphical presentation of data using bar chart, pie chart, histogram and boxplot. Graphs are among the most powerful tools for exploring, analyzing and presenting data. They transform numerical values into visual information, making it easier to identify patterns, trends, relationships and outliers. SPSS provides several graphical options to create graphs. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create bar chart, pie chart, histogram and box plot. So first we will add data. To add data, click on the file, go to the import data and select your data type. How to create a bar graph. A bar graph is a graphical representation of categorical data. You can say qualitative data, where rectangular bars of equal width represent different categories and the length, or you can say height, of each bar is proportional to the value or the frequency of that category. Keep in mind, unlike histograms, the bars in a bar chart are separated by spaces because each bar represents a distinct category. The main purpose of generating bar charts helps in comparing different categories. Bar charts display frequencies or percentage in a crystal pattern, shows differences between groups and present survey results. To create a bar chart, we will go to the graph. SPSS provide two tools to create graphs. First one is chart builders and second one is the legacy dialog. You can choose any one of. I am going to create bar charts using chart builder. Click on the chart builder, select the bar chart and choose the types of bar chart. Generally, bar charts are of three types. Simple bar charts display one variable. This is the simple bar charts. Cluster bar chart compare two or more groups, and the stacked bar chart shows the distribution of subgroups within each category. First, I will generate simple bar chart. Drag the types of bar in the chart preview column. Now we will define x-axis and y-axis values. In this example, I am going to create a bar chart using gender. You can create a bar chart for count, values, mean, median, etc. You can choose the pattern of your bar. You can use cumulative count, cumulative percentage, value, mean, median, group mean, mode, etc. I am going with count. You can also change the chart appearance by selecting the particular color. In the same manner, you can exclude or include the break values and include or exclude the summary statistics. You can also reduce the size of your bar chart. Again, going to the elements, you can provide title. To provide title, select the custom and type the title. Click on OK. You can see we have created a simple bar chart. Now I will create cluster bar chart. To perform, again go to the graph, select the chart builder. This time drag the cluster bar chart. We know in cluster there are two or more than two variables. So I am going to create a cluster bar chart of gender and marital status. So I have selected gender on x-axis and cluster. Select the cluster and drag the marital status. You can also change the value in the ascending or descending order. Click on the OK. This is our cluster bar chart. Now I will create tagged bar chart. Again go to the graph, click on chart builder and this time drag the stacked bar. In this example, I am going to create a stacked bar of gender and satisfaction level. We know stacked bar chart is generally used to show the distribution of subgroup within each category. I have selected gender and now I will select the satisfaction level. This is my satisfaction level and I will drag it here. Click on OK. This is our stacked bar count of gender by satisfaction level. You can change the title of any one of your chart. Keep in mind, in a bar chart, the x-axis shows categories. The categories may be gender, education, occupation, age, and the y-axis represent frequency, count, percentage, mean, etc. The bar represent the values. There are some advantages of creating bar charts. Bar charts are easy to understand, good for categorical variables, provide easy comparison. On the other hand, the limitations of a bar charts are not suitable for continuous data and difficult when categories are numerous. Now I will create pie charts. To create pie charts, again go to the graph, select the chart builder, and this time click on pie. Drag the pie. In this example, I am creating a pie chart of marital status. So drag the marital status here. A pie chart is a circular graph divided into sectors or slices, and each slice represents a proportion or percentage of the total. And the main use of pie charts is to show percentage distribution, composition of data, and relative composition of categories. I have added marital status as a component. Now you can provide the title by clicking on custom title and click on OK. In this manner, we have created our pie chart. Pie chart may be categorized into three categories. Simple pie chart, you can see this is a simple pie chart. Exploded pie chart and 3D pie charts. The main advantages of a pie charts are pie charts provide easy visualization. They are attractive in presentation and shows proportions clearly. Some of the major applications of pie charts are population composition, income groups, market share, and land use percentage. Now we will create histogram. A histogram is a graph used to display the distribution of continuous numerical data. The bar touches each other because the data are continuous. The main purpose of a histogram is to help in examine the data distribution, checking the normality, identifying skewness, and detecting outliers. To create histogram, again go to the graph, select the chart builders and click on histogram. There are various types of histograms. In this tutorial, I am going to create a simple histogram of age. So I will select the age here and click on OK. This is a simple histogram count of age. The main application of a histogram is to show age distribution, income distribution, examination scores, rainfall, and temperature data. Boxplot. A boxplot is also known as box and whisker plot, and it is a graph that summarizes the distribution of numerical data using the 5-number summary. Now, what are the 5 numbers? Minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum are the 5 numbers which are represented by a boxplot. The main purpose of a Boxplot is to detect outlier, compare distribution, measure variability, and identify skewness. Now we will create a boxplot. Go to the graph, select the chart builder, and click on the boxplot. You can create a simple boxplot for single variable and cluster boxplot for multiple variables. I am going to create a simple boxplot of age and income. I have selected age on x-axis and I will select income on the y-axis. You may choose the title. You can sort by label, custom, or value. In the same way, you can choose the y-axis components. Chart appearance, you may change the chart color. In this example, I am choosing this one. Click on OK. This is a simple box plot of income by age. A box plot have 5 components. The lower whisker represent minimum value. On the other hand, upper whisker represent maximum value. The box, you can check the box. represent interquartile range from Q1 to Q3. The line inside the box, these are the lines, inside the box represent median and the dots represent outlier. In this example, we have no outlier data. There are some advantages of creating a box plot. Boxplot provide a compact summary. It helps in identifying outlier data and it provides a comparative statement of multiple groups. On the other hand, a box plot does not show individual observations. In this manner, you can create bar charts, pie charts, histogram, and box plot using the SPSS. Thank you. Have a nice day.